What up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform hammer curls. Now hammer curls are a great dumbbell alternative to regular bicep curls because they target the biceps from a different angle, and they also target, as a secondary muscle, they target the forearms a lot because you hold them like a hammer, you know, so your forearms get a great workout from hammer curls too. So it's a great exercise from time to time to switch it up and to shock your biceps. Now, starting position, just regular feet shoulder width apart, straight back, and grab two dumbbells. Now you should hold the dumbbells like this, like a hammer on the side, and then you just curl up. Inhale, squeeze your core, and curl the dumbbells up. Just like with a regular bicep curl, your elbows should stay stationary, your body should stay still, no movement back and forth from side to side. The only thing that should be moving is your arms. Your elbows, they don't move, they're stationary. You go up. So starting position is this. Inhale, squeeze your core, curl up. At the top of the movement, hold a pause for a second and really try to squeeze the biceps. You see here, a second pause, and really try to squeeze the biceps. Now, a major key with this exercise is really, when you're holding the dumbbells, to really squeeze those handles. Now why? Well, because this is also a forearm exercise, you know, so when you really squeeze those dumbbells, really squeeze the handle and hold it, you know, you should really hold the handles really tightly. That's gonna ensure that you're also getting a great forearm workout, which hammer curls were designed, you know. So hammer curls, main muscles, the biceps, and then the secondary muscle, the forearms. So really focus on squeezing the biceps at the top of the movement and really squeezing the dumbbell handles to get as much of a forearm workout as much as you can. And that's basically it, you know. It's not that complicated, you know. So starting position, arms all the way extended, curl the weight up, second pause at the top of the movement, squeezing the biceps. So inhale, go up, then go down slowly, really keeping tension on the forearms, on the biceps, and exhaling. So inhale, curl up, exhale, go down, and really extend the arms when you're going all the way down. That ensures the full range of motion. So that was it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out, guys.